you can simply click through these and choose those which you are most happy with or most comfortable with. If it's a moving average, you simply click on the moving average. It will give you the settings which are predetermined. You can change these if you wish, you can change the colours, and it will then drop in a moving average on the chart for you once you're comfortable with on it. And on your keyboard hit delete and the moving average. Methods of developing pages. The first one is a view, which are the actual asset classes that we've coded here, or developing new pages. It may be charts or news or something along similar lines. You set those up, and then in your panels within those, as a subset if you like of those views, you have a variety of information which you can choose. If you want to add additional views to your platform or your trader, you simply move your cursor onto this third line from the top here and right click. If you want to add a view, you simply click on Add View, and it will bring up a blank page for you with no title. Information you might want to put in here can be obtained on the top line here, these menu items. If it's stocks, for example, you may want to put in a stock order panel. You simply left click and you move and size that to wherever you want to put it on the page. It may be that you also want to have a prices and watch screen on here for a different market, say an offshore market for example. You simply click on the tools button and add in prices and trade. It again will drop in a prices and trade screen. You may also want to have, for example, scrolling news. In the news section you have streaming news, or it may be an economic calendar that you're looking to place into this particular page. The streaming news, you simply click on it and it will put in a box of streaming news and request headlines. You want to rename this view to be more consistent with what you have in this section of the platform. You go to Properties, and your title, you simply highlight your title and change it to let's say sample. Click OK, and you will So in this new view called Sample, we now have a prices and trade screen which we've obtained from Tools, and it may be that we're also looking to add a news page, which we did earlier by simply going to the news section. You now wanted to move these particular screens to a different area. You'll see these arrow boxes come up, and you simply move onto these boxes and it will move the panel in the direction that you wanted. Similarly with the news, if you wanted the news at the bottom of the page, you simply click it down onto the down arrow and it will drop it into the bottom of the page for you. This therefore allows you to add a variety of different things. It may be also you want an economic calendar there, which is fine, and you can then start adding additional things to this particular page that you're looking to. Trading conditions are an important part of the platform if you're looking to trade derivatives such as foreign exchange, futures or CFDs. It outlines for you the conditions that are available given the current market conditions. You can check what's available to trade for CFDs, for example, what is shortable, the margins and the minimum and maximum trade size, and for futures